Okay, hello my friends. It's also nice to be connected with you here again. Like I promised, we're still in the series of educating our younger generation in terms of some of the roles and responsibilities in the oil and gas industry, as to be able to guide them correctly and also give them an opportunity for them to make a niche for themselves in the industry. So today we want to talk about the role of a project engineer. Project engineer is a very key role in the oil and gas industry. I don't know about other industry, but I also know that the role of a project engineer is also a key requirement the for other industries. But for the benefit of this video, I would just want to stick with where I am a master, which is the oil and gas industry. From my experience working in the oil and gas industry, I've been privileged to also serve in the capacity of a project engineer, and I know the huge responsibilities that it comes with to be serving as a project engineer in the oil and gas industry. And because of the key role of the project engineer, it is also a very highly respected position, and it comes with a huge responsibility. So on a summary basis, I would just like, on an overview basis, I would like to just give a definition or just explain the role of a project engineer for the benefit of the younger generations who may also be contemplating a career in the oil and gas industry, for them to be able to use that as a basis of judgment to make their decisions effectively. So when you hear the word project engineer, what are the two things that comes to your mind? Project and engineer. Project and engineer. So what is a project? Basically, according to the Project Management Institute of America, PMI, a project is any endeavor that has a short-term goal, a temporary endeavor that has a definite start time and a definite end time with a unique product. A project is any endeavor that has a definite start time and a definite end time with a unique product in perspective. So that's what a project is, meaning that a project is any venture that whenever you start it, you know it's going to end at so day. Even if the date of termination of the project is extended, it means it has to end on a particular day, versus the fact that the project must deliver a unique product where the basic terminologies, deliverables, inputs, outputs, and processes are put in place. That's for the project. Then when you come to engineering, which is also another part of the term that makes up the project engineer. The engineer, who is an engineer, or what is engineering? An engineer is someone who uses technical processes, who uses technical principles, technical approaches in order to solve a problem, in order to solve a society problem or a general problem. So anybody who uses technical processes, any professional, mind you, any professional who uses technical processes to be able to solve problems, that person can be classified as an engineer. So having known the two definitions of what a project is and what an engineer is, it will now be ideal for us to put the two together and define them accordingly. So who is a project engineer? I have personally defined project engineer not based on what I have read in the books, not based on the researches that I've carried out, but based on my personal experience as a project engineer being someone who uses technical approaches, technical principles, technical methodologies in order to solve a project problem. Anybody who uses technical approaches, technical methodologies, technical principles to solve a project problem, that is a project engineer. That is who a project engineer is. And when you come to the roles and responsibilities of the project engineer, they are enormous. They are enormous, especially in the oil and gas. So the role of an oil and gas project engineer is what I'm going to be talking about in my next video. Until I see you there again, just don't forget, a project engineer is someone who uses technical processes or technical methodologies in solving a project problem, meaning that the problems that the project engineer will be solving are based on that, strictly based on that particular project alone, not societal problem, but project-based problems. That is what the project engineer will be solving. Those are the problems that the project engineer will be solving. So, to highlight the roles and responsibilities when it comes to the oil and gas industry, in my next video, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to do that for you. So until I come your way again next time, stay blessed, stay safe, stay fine.